In today's generation, isn't social media a major platform? Especially now that we're staying at home and socializing online through our smartphones and tablets. So in this video, I'll show you 3 fantastic new websites that can help you earn $70 every 10 minutes simply leveraging Instagram followers. Take a look at the payment I received for applying this method for today. You could be the next one to earn that sum of money too. Now, the best part is that you won't have to spend any money because this procedure is completely free. It will also not necessitate any prior knowledge or expertise, as it is designed especially for our rookies. Furthermore, you won't have to worry about anything because this approach works from anywhere on the earth. So if you're serious about making $70 every 10 minutes with the strategy, make sure you watch all the way to the finish. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first website you should visit is Socialtradia, which can be found at Socialtradia.com. This is an online marketplace where users can purchase and trade Instagram accounts. You won't have to do any of those though, because as I previously stated, this method is completely free for you. You can now see a few accounts that are being offered on this platform if you scroll down. This particular account, for example, costs $120. This one will set you back $140. This one will set you back $110, and so on. However, you won't need to buy any of these accounts to start making money right now. You've now seen how much money these sellers could make if they sold their accounts. But what if I told you that those accounts may be sold for a higher price? By scrolling up, I'll explain what I mean. Now, go to the top of the page and click Followers. Then select 20K to 50K accounts from the drop-down option. Following that, you can observe that these individuals are selling their accounts for a higher price. People can earn over $400 up to $700 right here, as you can see on your screen. With that being said, the reason these people are making so much more money is that they have so many followers. That being said, the more followers you have, the more money you can make selling your accounts. Returning to the homepage, you can see that this person is only selling the account for $120. So what we're going to do is actually assist the individual in gaining more followers so that he can make $400 or even more. However, by assisting this person, you will also be able to gain money while doing so because they would pay you. So, if you want to learn how you can generate money with the technique, stick with me until the finish of this video. Now, I'd like you to go to a website called ViralRace, which is found at ViralRace.com. This is the second website, and the second tool for today's strategy where users may purchase Instagram followers who are 100% genuine and engaged. So now I've clicked Buy Real Followers right here. And you'll be able to see all of the pricing that Socialtradia users may purchase. They can purchase one of these packages to gain more followers and thus double their online profits. So let's say you contacted this guy from Socialtradia who is selling their account for $120 to purchase one of ViralRace's previous plans. You may just send them a message endorsing your plan to assist them in making more money online. You should persuade them that by purchasing 2,500, 5,000, or 10,000 at these prices right here, so that they will be able to double their revenues on Socialtradia. However, you'll also be able to earn your own money as a result of this, which is excellent. So how would you make money from endorsing subscription plans? It's actually fairly simple. Let's suppose that this person from Socialtradia accepted your offer to help them gain more followers. You'd now go to ViralRace and sell these plans to them for twice the amount. You'd charge them $25 if they wanted 1,000 active and engaged followers right now. You'd charge them $60 if they wanted 2,500 followers. Charge them $80 or even $100 if they want 5,000 followers. Finally, if they agree to have 10,000 followers today, you can change them anything from $160 to $200. It's really that easy to make money today, and you could make as much as this website does right now. You can see how powerful this strategy can now be. As you can see, simply endorsing this strategy might result in a profit of up to $100. As I previously stated, this is an excellent strategy for our beginners. And now you have nothing to lose by using it immediately after watching this video. Now, in order to enhance your outcomes, you might return to Socialtradia and look for many people or sellers who desire to plan on having more followers. You could persuade these customers to acquire those plans once more, and you'd make another $100 on the spot. This means you now have $200, and you can repeat the process as many times as you like to maximize your results. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Using our final website for today, popray.com, which looks like this. You should now give credibility to your services. This tool will assist you in enhancing the reliability of your services to persuade Socialtradia clients to buy them. So right now, if you click here on followers, you'll be directed to this page. As you can see, you can get 10 followers for free. And from this website, that's a total of 10 active followers. You're doing this because you think some of these Socialtradia employees could be skeptical of your services. So, to prove them wrong, you're going to tell them that you can send them 10 genuine followers right now. You may then sell them your services and charge them a price for your packages if they believe your credibility after that. All of that was simple, right? As I previously stated, you will not be spending any money to complete this strategy. Nevertheless, if you can persuade others from Socialtradia to purchase your services, you may possibly earn $70 to $100 over and over again. This is true because I've done this and other people have done this also. And if you followed me all the way through, you can be making that amount of money right now. Make sure to use all of my tips and tactics, as well as visit all of the required websites to make $70 over and over. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Make Money Online. Once again, enter the code word Make Money Online, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making the big pile of cash straight into your accounts.